In this exercise, I'm going to show you the right way how to have a good snooker touch and how to do it correctly. So in this exercise, I'm going to play cue ball softly so that my cue ball bounce from the short cushion as minimum as possible. So this is the goal which I want to achieve. I want to make a cushion bounce, and so the cue ball wear like this. So first I'm gonna show you beginner mistakes, and then I'm gonna show you the right way how to play this exercise. So first common mistakes which I see when I'm coaching people. So they are playing the shot too hard, like a shot like this. You see? Way too hard. And the cue ball is almost to the center part of the table after the bounce. So this shot you have to play so gently, so the cue ball only reach the cushion. So I'm just gonna play very slow, short feathers. Feathering is very short and very small backswing. So of course I did a little bit too slow this time. So this is another common mistake which people are making. So this time I'm gonna show you the normal way how to do this exercise. So I will play without chest contact, just to have a better feel. So already this is a better shot. I'm getting closer and closer. So eventually you're gonna get a better understanding about the table speed. So this time more. Okay, this time the speed was better, but still this is a little bit too hard. So again, this time. Okay, this time the shot is already better, and this is almost the perfect shot. The cue ball is close to the cushion, and this is the good way how you can improve your touch and how your arm works, which kind of feathering and backswing you have to use to have a best effect. So that's it for this video. Until next video.
If you want to improve your aiming, cue action, cue ball control mental game, I can help you to take your snooker game to the next level. Snooker coaching benefits, live online coaching. Improve your snooker knowledge. Discover a technique which suits you the best. Have a decent strategic, tactical game. Detailed practice plans, analysis. Mental toughness and calmness under pressure. Just text me your name, country, and what do you want to improve to my WhatsApp number to Vilius Šultebert, ABCA Professional Snooker Coach. Don't wait and book an online or live snooker coaching session now. See you, folks!